The appointment module allows a store to book appointments by one of three easy methods. The first is by resource, which is typically a dressing room. The second is by employee, which is usually a sales associate. And the third way is by time slot. This flexibility allows a shop to manage appointments in a way that best meets their needs. Let's look at each of the booking methods now. The first is by room. The user may add an appointment from the appointment management dashboard, or from several other screens in this system, such as from the customer profile form. The user selects Add, then selects the type of appointment the customer is requesting. Now, the user selects the date, then selects the available room. The time blocks are usually green when the room is available, and red when it is not. Each block segment represents 15 minutes of time. The type of appointment requested will determine the amount of time that will be reserved. Once the room is selected, the appointment detail page appears, where information is entered. Custom fields may be added to the form and are dependent on the type of appointment being booked. The status of the appointment is new. The appointment status may be modified by highlighting the appointment within the grid and simply clicking a status button located at the bottom of the appointment dashboard. Status changes can automatically generate SMS, email, or phone correspondence to the customer. Appointment reminders may be scheduled to automatically contact the customer as well. Instead of booking to a specific room, the user could have booked by time slot. It is the same process. Choose an appointment type and date. Then click the Time Slot tab. Now the user can see which slots are available by date. Double-click the slot to book. Once the customer appears, the sales associate being assigned to the customer may be added to the appointment. This is great for computing close ratios and sales consultant effectiveness. Instead of booking by resource room, appointments may be booked by sales associate. The process is the same steps, but instead of selecting a room, a sales associate is selected. Once the customer appears in store for the appointment, a room may be optionally assigned. Store users will visit the appointment dashboard screen to see appointments via an on-screen worksheet view. A filter by date, appointment status and customer name may be set to limit the appointments in the online management dashboard. It is very fast. The display provides a great visual of current appointments and their status. The status indicates where the appointment is in the process. Clicking Appointment will bring up its details for review or editing. Assigning a sales consultant or changing status are common. Moving a status from new to confirmed can automatically email a confirmation email to the customer. Changing status from Confirm to completed will prompt to create a new prospect entry for capturing favorites. Sales may be created from this information as well. The appointment module requires 3 setup steps prior to taking appointments. The first step in preparing for appointments is to create skills, then assign the skill to an appointment type, resource, or sales associate. Skills tell the system that resources or sales associate assigned the same skill as the appointment type can perform that appointment type. In this example, the bridal skill. All resources or sales associates assigned bridal can perform any appointment type with the bridal skill assigned to the type. Define the type of actions the shop will book appointments for. Common tasks are bridal consultations and fittings. Assign a skill to the type. Options exist to apply an active date range, scripts to read to the customer, and custom data fields, as well as default appointment duration. To book by room, create the room names, assign skills, and create a schedule. Assume the store is open 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., 5 days a week, and the room is available for the entire day of each day open. Create schedules for dressing rooms or sales associates to indicate the times of the day of week they are available to accept appointments. It is the same process for sales associates. When a sales associate is created, a work schedule must be also set, and at least one skill assigned. Display or print appointment reports. Daily appointment schedule and closing statistics are popular. Appointment request forms may be added to your shop's website, where a potential customer may request an appointment. A site visitor picks appointment type, date, and start time, as well as complete some information about herself. These appointment requests are inserted via the Cloud Forms processing feature. Remember, once the appointment is created in store, an email, SMS, or phone call may automatically be sent to the web visitor with date and time of the accepted appointment.